Good morning dear students. Today we are going to discuss exercise 1.4 of class 9th mathematics. Question number 1. Visualize 3.765 on the number line using successive magnification. Magnification means I have to expand it, zoom it, and I have to show this particular number on the number line. That's all. See, first we will take the first decimal number. 3.7. Only one digit I have taken, so 3.7. It will be lies between where 3 to 4. Yes. 3 to 4. 3.7. Only one decimal place I have taken. Here 3.7. That will be lies between 3 and 4. So this is what 3.1 we can write. This is 3.2. This is 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, this is 3.6, this is 3.7, this is 3.8, this is 3.9, this is what? 4.0. Yes? Okay. Now, 3.2 decimal place you have to take. That's what? 3.76. This is your first step. I have to tell that 3.7 where it lies. This is between 3 and 4. Then I have shown. Then next decimal place I have to take, that is 3.76. 76 will be lies between 3.7 to 3.8. So that place I have to zoom up. See, 3.7 and 3.8. It will be lies between. So write it here 3.71. Okay. Then 3.72, 3.73, this is 3.74, 3.75, 3.76, 3.77, 3.78, 3.79, this is 3.80. Okay. Now, this is your second step over. Then I have to take the third decimal place. Up to third decimal place I have to take, that is 3.765. 765 will be lies between 76 to 77. Yes, so I have to zoom up this one. Understand? See, 3.765. 765 will be lies between 76 to 77. 3.76 to 3.77. Write it here. 7, 6. This is what? 1 digit I have to increase it in every step. 3.762, 3.763, 3.764. This is 3.765. This is 3.766. This is 3.767. This is 3.768. This is 3.769. This is 3.770. Okay. So now you can see 3.765. See, 3.765 I have located on the number line. Nothing is here. Each step I have to increase one decimal places. First decimal place you take, that is 3.7. Then it should be lies between 3 to 4. Then again I have to take the second decimal place. Up to second decimal place you have to take. Then again show it. Then again zoom up. Then I will get 3.765. Okay. That's your answer. Question number 2. Visualize 4.26 bar on the number line up to 4 decimal places. 4 decimal places I have to show. That means 4 steps I have to show it. That is 4.2626. 4 decimal places means what? 2626. 4 decimal places I have to show. So first I have to take the first decimal place. That is what? 0.2. That is 4.2 in the question. So 4.2 will be lies between 4 to 5. So write here 4 to 5. See, this is 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5, 4.6, 4.7, 4.8, 4.9. This is 5.0. Then go for the next decimal place. That is what? 4.26. 26 will be lies between 4.2 to 4.3. See, 2 after that what is there? 6. So 4.2 to 4.3. So write it. 4.21, 4.22, 4.23, 4.24, 4.25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 4.30. Yes. Then go for next decimal place. What it is? 262. 262. 262 will be lies between 4.26 to 4.27. So write it here 4.261. I have to include one decimal places in every step. 4.262, 4.263, 4.264, 4.265, 4.267, 268, 4.269, 4.270. Yes. Fourth decimal place, that is what? 2626. 2626 will be lies between 4.262 to 4.263. Yes, see, 262 after that, 262 after that the point will be there. So we have to take these two numbers. 4.262 after that what will be there? 1. 4.2622, 4.2623, 4.2624, 4.2625, 2629, 4.2630. Now we will check that 4.2626. Where it will be? See, you can find that. This is your wanted number. Okay, thank you.